For nearly 200 years, we have revolutionized the world of measurement and survey. And now we present to you the new generation. There's a difference between good and right. Good is when instruments are precise. Right is precise and accurate. Right is when it is trouble-free, durable. Right is having a trusted service partner when your investment pays off. Using auto height, a revolutionary feature to measure your instrument's height. Getting the job done under extreme conditions. Right is when it's built to last. The new generation of manual total stations, Leica FlexLine series. Find out more at leica-geosystems.com/FlexLine.